Here we go. Kunin ka? Hello! Welcome sa 2026! Oh, look at that cars! 2026 Dream Cruise dito sa Woodward, Detroit. Yan. Ano pa? Actually, sa ano ngayon? Friday. Bukas pa yung pinaka-event. Pero tumingin lang kami ngayon dito. Tinignan namin yung mga naka-display ng iba. Look at that car. Oh. Medyo marami. Wala pa. Unlike last year na pinagtatanda namin. Evan! We're just making some noise. Oh, look at that car. Anyway, sana makakita tayo ng maraming vintage cars. Andy, this one's for you. Oh, look at that one. I don't know what car is that one. Saka sa likod natin is what's that? A Porsche? Is that a Porsche behind us?
Oh, Porsche. Ito si Dodge.
Oh, look at that one. Pops, look at the cars. Oh, anong car yun? Ito, ganda oh. Silver one. SS.
I have that. I have that in my hobbyist collection. What? Okay,
Bali ano to, siguro mga 5 miles. Every year nagko-congregate dito yung mga vintage cars from not only from the US but from all over the world. So every year, every August, hindi ko lang alam kung same date ba. Pero yun, weekend, Corvette talking. And what is that one? Andy, this one is for you, man. Hopefully someday o soon.
Hey, Mama.
Makapag-Dream Cruise, makabisita kayo dito for Dream Cruise.
And it's gonna be like, I think it's gonna be like
What can you say?
August 14 to 16 or 15
50,
to
just
16.
50. I don't know if we have on 16, but I think it's every second week of August.
Every second week.
Yeah, second week of August. Bali, galing kami ng 12 mile. Baka 10 mile meron na siguro yan. At kami ng 16, 17 mile just to see. Tapos yung mga nasa gilid dito, ayan, makikita mo may mga nagka-camp out na yan para manood sila. Kanya-kanya ng baon yan. Kanya-kanya na silang parking. Tapos may mga grupo din dito na naka-park lang sa mga gas station. Ayun sa kabila, oh, ganda oh. Red vintage cars with green stripes. Wow. How about that one? Is that pub a cherry picker? Ayun o, 13 mile na tayo. Si Bali sila, Eminem nasa 8 miles. So, yun the other side. Look at the, ano. May Hatra, the Hatra, the Corvette.
I saw that, bro.
Ito na, 13 mile. Medyo busy-busy dito.
I saw, what is that?
Wow.
Hey, Mama. Mama. I saw Toyota Supra. I like Toyota. Hey, Mama.
Look at this car.
Hey, Dad, Mama.
Yeah.
I saw Toyota Supra and I like Toyota Supras.
Kombi, ikot tayo. Bali, first pass natin ngayon. Tingnan natin kung makailang ikot tayo ngayon dito. But basically, we're just cruising around and looking for vintage cars. Look at that one. Yan, dito pala 13 miles tayo. Oh, look at this one. So vintage. Meron pa siyang halaman. Is he part of the event? You think, Evan? I think so. There are people from the other side.
What is that Nissan?
It's I don't know what kind of Nissan is
Dad,
that
I
one.
can't go to Normandy Park because it says Normandy Road here.
No, we are in Woodward right now in Pops, look at the cars. Hey, no? Andy! Look at this one. Miles of parade, I think more than. So,
May yellow
oh,
car.
yeah, although vintage cars mostly, meron din mga supercars and mga sports cars. But mostly mga vintage cars. O, anong car yan?
Mercury.
Mercury motor. Ngayon, magandang panahon, wala pang snow, naglalabasan yung mga kotse. Pops, can you see the cars? What's that one? It's a Corvette. Oh, look. How about this one?
Ito
Looks
si-
like
si
a Jetsons
Batman.
car. On the other side, look at this, ano, stoplight tayo, so yun sa kabila, Chris. Anong kotse yan? Evan, what car is that one?
That one right now.
Mustang. Ay,
Hindi natin alam.
the
Ferrari.
Ferrari. It's the other horse.
Yan, mga cars sa ano. Pops, look at the cars, look. How about this one?
Can't see in front. You can only see left and right. What is that police car with a megaphone on top of it and it's very loud?
Another one. Oh, vintage. So imagine yung mga kotse dito, mas marami yan malamang. Kasi ngayon parang dry run lang nila eh. Hindi namin alam kung last year lang kami nagpunta dito, same day. I mean, hindi pa yung parade proper. Disperas lang yung pinunta namin. Hindi kami nakapunta ng parade mismo. Natakot kami kasi baka sobrang daming tao. So tomorrow, hindi namin alam kung babalik kami dito just to see what's happening. Pag nag-enjoy yung mga bata, then we might.
Hey Dad, I want to tell you something.
Tapos may dala kami mga baon ngayon, donut the RAV4, we're part of the parade because our car is old, but this one is not old, so we're not included in the parade. Is that the difference? Or the
Yeah,
difference
that's
is last time Pablo was sleeping.
Yeah, but
Well, he's gonna sleep then.
yeah. Papa, you should. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
I think he needs a lollipop.
Give
Say
him a
hi to the
lollipop.
camera. Oh, this car looks so pretty. Can we buy you in the camera? Uh-huh.
Ganda ng cover dito.
We're gonna talk to one.
Haba! Just imagine kung ano mangyayari dito bukas.
Open it for Max.
Nasa 16 mile na ata tayo. Sa Hot Wheels ko na nakikita yun eh. Ito pa, another one.
Kotse ni Batman.
Dito wala na masyado dito mga stores. Mga private na mga subdivision na ata dito eh. So, bihira na dito yung mga tambay mode. Nandun lang sila sa between 13, 12 to 15. Malapit na tayong umikot, ikot na tayo para makita naman natin yung kabilang side.
I can't. Mama, here.
Just hold it.
Pero mahaba itong food part na to, parang mga
Mixing trucks. That's where we're going.
diba, take out the video of the house.
Yep. And
Other side, Pablo's side.
Pablo, what do you see to the camera? I'm pointing it at you. Say hi. Hi. Yo.
Look at that car, red car.
This Red Red Parade is so vintage. Or do you agree, guys? Do you agree with this character? Do you agree? This parade? Yeah, guys, I think this is good. Guys, tell me if you see any vintage cars. Did you? Just tell me. Yo, say hello.
Sana dito sa side na to.
I like yellow.
Ay, may playground doon, Criso.
This is kind of. What? What?
Medyo malungkot yung ano na yun stretch na yun. But we're back. Yan, may mga cars na ulit dito sa gilid. is 3 minutes before 2 p.m.
Yeah, I want to tell you something.
What?
When is this car from, like, 2009 car?
Yeah,
When did this get for?
2002.
1002.
But I will make one more pass.
1092?
2002. Ito tayo sa Birmingham. Isa sa posh, parang ano to, business district. Dami ng mga ano, aparato dito.
Hey, Dada, I think I know.
Look at these trucks.
Look, but there's an airplane with an ad. See it?
What does it say?
I'm not sure what it says.
Hey, Dada. Dada, I think I know why the parade is in Woodward.
Why?
Because you know Woodward is. You know why the holiday? I'll tell you why. In Woodward, it looks like an old city with the old cars, right?
Yeah.
So that's why they chose Woodward because Woodward Street has some old stuff built in the 90s. So that's why it's perfect street for the parade.
I think the parade goes back in the 1980s. As early as 1980s. This been here for every year. Oh, look at those cars. I'm more interested in the directions. Mom, is that even?
Yeah, right on the driving minute.
Yeah, this is the event already. Motor City, Detroit. Ang gawa ng mga Ford, GM. Ang daming tent na tatayo bukas. Kanya-kanya ng pitch sila. Pero ay naabutan naman tayo stoplight. Puro new cars yung nandito. Puro mga SUV. Hopefully, ikot ulit tayo ng isa and then that's it. That's it, pansit. wash if you want.
No, I don't like car wash.
It doesn't need a car wash.
Why?
It needs repair.
Why?
It's beat down. It's my beater car. Yeah, it's my daily. I use it every day, so it should be good.
Okay, I have a question. Do you like the RAV4 or the Sienna more?
I like you more.
No, just asking. Do you like Sienna or RAV4? Which do you like better?
Maybe this Sienna. Yeah, because when I drive this, I drive it between Mama and Papa. Yeah. When Andy, hopefully soon. Itong isang event lang na pwedeng puntahan sa Michigan dito. Baka maaga pa kami, usually baka mga 4 naglalabasan. Oh, Ferrari. Bababa tayo ng 11 mile or 10 mile, tapos akyat ulit tayo hanggang 13 or 14, that's it, tapos uwi na tayo. Look at the cars on the other side. Ayun, no?
You see the cars behind?
Should we look for a spot? Dito ata kami dati kumain, Vinceta Garage. Mga burger.
Doon nga yung picture mo.
Ha? Wala
So,
ba?
fun. Parang,
Let's make a U-turn on the other, the next one.
dito pala yung Huntington Woods.
Dito ba tayo punta?
Parang nakadaan na tayo dito, pero dito siguro sa city proper nila. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-ikot.
Para mahaba pa to, no? Hanggang saan kaya yung dulo nito? Ano pa rin? Kasi nakita namin yung mga cars dumidiretso pa eh.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah?
Mom, what does this bus mean? Why do you go tiger?
Tigers is the name of a team. A sports team.
Pag diniretso namin to, pababa, pupunta ko na ano, downtown Detroit. Punta ng Pontiac.
They're lollipops.
Dito pa tayo.
No.
Nga. Those are called muscle cars. Muscle cars. Akala ko dati nakita ko ng mga Woodbine shirts. Mga 1990s, 1980s. Akala ko mahal siya. Pero marami pala siyang ginawa. Kaya wala siyang value. Mga $18 lang ang piece. Dati mabilis na yan, eh. Bilisan din natin. mas marami na yung nakalagay, no? No, sasakyan compared ngayon. Umaga pa tayo.
Mas maaga tayo this
Dapat
year.
mga 5 o'clock siguro tayo lumabas.
Tulog na yata isa eh.
He is not.
He's almost asleep.
He's sleeping?
Almost.
Oh
Papa, are
no.
you gonna eat your lollipop or fall asleep?
Look at those cars on the right. Pala yung upscale raceway, no? Itong kotse mo. Parang bangka, ha?
Tulog na. Tulog na nagda-lollipop.
Parehas tulog, no?
Isa lang.
Nandito ulit si Slingshot, oh.
Papsel, hold mo na your lollipop.
Sinuli siya.
Naglo-lollipop tulog eh. Konti lang yung sumali ngayon, ah. Sa mahal na rin ng gasolina. Ang masahe. But that's it. Thank you for joining our Dream Cruise 2026 pre-event. Hanggang dito na lang. Hopefully makabalik kami bukas. Bye-bye.